What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update. Hopefully there's been a little bit of progress. Let's go! Alright, so we made it through the front entrance and through security, and we can see a whole bunch of new decorations for Christmas Town. Not busy at all here today. It's going to be a great day.
Because as far as interview opportunities with him, you can head on down to the queue entrance right over here. Okay. If that works out best for you.
Alright, so now we're over by the front entrance area for Gwazi, and we can see some holiday decorations up there on the wall. The ride itself looking really good. Again, that lift-hill structure rising way into the air now. Don't forget, Christmas Town is starting up this weekend, and we can see all the signage right there for Christmas Town Village. Some snowflakes up there. It's going to be really nice, and of course we're going to be there to check it all out. And over here in the Garden Gate area, we can see some of the booths have been repurposed for Christmas Town. You can see holiday comforts, frosty floats and shakes. There's a frozen eggnog waffle cone, blondie sundae, pumpkin thrill shake, blue frost Christmas thrill shake, adult floats, root beer floats. Over here, loaded mashed potatoes. They have toppings, possible chili, and domestic beers. And then over here, a photo opportunity spot with a toy shop gift shop. Sesame Street just celebrated its 50th anniversary, and now we can see some new decorations up for a very furry Christmas featuring some of the characters. Lots of lights are up in the trees and bushes all over the place. We can see another photo opportunity spot over here with Cookie Monster and Elmo looking like nutcrackers, showing off the sign, "A Very Furry Christmas." Pink chickens! Well, usually when we come to Sesame Street, we see some of our pals, and sure enough, we have Elmo and Grover. Woo! Good to see you guys. And you just had the 50th anniversary. You guys happy about that and everything? Yeah, it was a great event. Had tons of fun. And now you have some of your winter garb on. It looks like you have scarves on and everything. Last time I saw Elmo, he had all sorts of like spiderweb looking things and whatnot. But now you're ready for the holidays, right? Good stuff, guys. Grover, good to see you again. Thank you so much. Again, a very furry Christmas is going to be going on. More decorations up right here in the trees. And speaking of trees, we have Christmas trees right here. Colorful ones. Directional signage is also going up around the park for Christmas Town, as we can see. Different arrows showing off different locations. And in the trees over here, more holiday decorations. Oh yeah, now it is time to get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi from Shikra. Well, right now we are going through Florida winter. It's about 68 degrees. I know, bone-chilling cold. But hey, the water rides are still open. Sky Ride, and it's been closed for annual maintenance for a couple months now, but it's about to reopen for Christmas Town. And speaking of Christmas Town, just down this pathway we can see that tunnel of lights with all the garland and ornaments on there now. Alright, I lied. One of the water rides is still closed, just like in our last update, Congo River Rapids, needing a little bit of maintenance. And here's the other side of the tunnel. Again, one of my favorite parts of Christmas Town, as the light patterns in here are awesome. Good news, folks, the control arms for Skyride are back on, and that means we should have some testing coming up very soon. As we see right here, another tower, also complete. Alright, so now we're in Pantopia and we can see a couple games right here featuring Rudolph and characters, Bumble Catch, Sam the Snowman Snowball Toss, and right here, Rudolph's Winter Wonderland. Open at 5 p.m. for Christmas Town, but we can see the entrance right there. The Phoenix. Yep. Of course, now it's time to get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi from Falcon's Fury. Elefante! Getting his groove on. Well, this is a bit different. The wax molds that we see around the park, well, here's another one, except it has a reindeer. See right there? And that's what you'll end up with. And this area for Hollow Stream had Carpe Noctem, which was the coffins. We can see trees up right now, and a little sleigh with presents. And here at the Nairobi train station we can see the Christmas Town sing-along train. It's going to be awesome. Directly across the way, we have Santa's Visit Check-In. Again, Santa's house just up that way. We have decorations over here, peppermint trees, other trees just around, candy canes in the bushes, and the family of Frosties over here. Again, lights in the trees all over the place. Pink chicken. Up close pink chicken too. Hi.
I'm gonna come here now to get my shots. That thing is just.
Alright, so right over here by Animal Connections for the last couple weeks, we had a work wall up, and it's gone now. And what do we see? A train set. Yeah, so this used to be over by Gwazi, but now it's over here. So you can see the trains right there. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, so again, more booths over here for games, photo opportunities. Again, Nairobi Station over there. And now we're heading over towards Cheetah Hunt. And we have a photo opportunity with and here's a photo opportunity spot with tuxedo birds. And speaking of tuxedo birds, there they are, enjoying this cooler weather just down the pathway over here. You can see, welcome to Penguin Point. More Christmas Town stuff. We can see hot cocoa over here, and it's right over by the Moroccan Palace Theater. Again, decorations up right there. Lights in the trees, garland over here in front, and around the side we have a Christmas tree in the fountain area. So we see it right there. And the palace over here, again, all decked out. Giant Christmas tree over here in front of the Serengeti Overlook, right across from Cheetah Hunt. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from Busch Gardens Tampa for Iron Gwazi construction, and I am happy to say that a bunch of new progress has taken place. There's new structure for the north side of the lift hill. We have stuff going on for the brake run. All of the track is now on site. I'm hoping that the lift hill is going to be topped off within the next 2 to 3 weeks. Of course, we have Christmas Town going on, and we are going to be doing a preview of that coming up. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.